Hello guys, welcome. So I'm about to listen to Peter Gabriel for the first time ever, and as requested, I am checking out Sledgehammer. Now, I have heard Harry Styles cover the song. I actually reacted to his cover, and I loved the song, so I'm excited to hear the original version. Let's get into it. Oh, the bass.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. You could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be the Sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name?
The production on this track is top tier.
Be a sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Yeah.
It just sounds so clean.
Show me around your fruit cage, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer.
Also, this music video is wild, but I love it.
You better call the Sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. I'm your Sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. The Sledge.
Honestly, I could listen to just this instrumental track on repeat for the rest of my day, and I'd be fine. Nice harmonies.
Come on, help me through.
Oh my gosh, that was quite the energy boost. So I'm remembering now when Harry Styles covered that song on the Howard Stern show, he gushed over the production and he just went on and on about how well the track was mixed and he just couldn't get enough of it sonically. And I understand. I certainly understand, and I could not agree more. No joke, I feel like that song could have come out 3 decades ago or yesterday, and people wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Shout out to all the artists who played a part in that video because it was indeed art. Also, this was my first time really paying attention to the lyrics, and they are quite clever. I really did not catch all of the euphemisms until now, but now that I am aware of them, I have a new appreciation for this track. I really enjoyed that, so guys, please do leave your recommendations below if you would like to see more Peter on the channel. I guess that's all for this one though. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below so we can chat. Let me know what you thought of the song and the music video, and what you'd like me to react to next. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!